Hey, what's going on, guys? So today in front of me I have a Ruger LCP Max chambered in 380. So we're just going to go ahead and unbox this guy. So right away you could tell what you get with the box. You get the gun, you get this nice little congratulations on your new Ruger firearm. Along with that, you go ahead and get a little mag loader, help you speed up the reloads, a little pocket pouch. I'm honestly curious how well that's going to do. Besides that, you got your lock, and it also comes with a base plate in case you want to make the gun a little bit slimmer. Let's go ahead and take this guy out of the bag. As you can see, LCP Max. And there it is, chambered in 380 auto. As you can see, clear. And this does have a magazine disconnect, so if you decide to dry fire, that's going to be an issue. You have to have the mag in it in order for it to fire. Along with the mag disconnect, you also do have a loaded chamber indicator at the top of the slide right over here. So how that guy would work is if you have one in the chamber, that little guy just sticks right up a little bit, and that lets you know that you have one in the chamber. So the LCP comes in at an overall weight of 10.6 ounces. And just for example, let's go ahead and put a P365 XL next to it for comparison. So you can see here, as you can see, even with the magazine installed on that XL grip, you're still shorter. You can almost hide this gun behind the other one. Let me know down below if you'd want to pick up the Ruger LCP 380 Max. As far as I'm concerned, I think it's a perfect concealed carry, and I'm very excited that California allowed it on the handgun roster. And props to Ruger for keeping up and getting us new firearms constantly. Also, props to you for staying to the end of the video. Thank you again for watching. Like, subscribe, and as always, God bless and have a great day.